out the Frametown Bridge access. Across the river over there is Route 4, so you'll turn across the Frametown Bridge, and then at the end of the bridge turn left. So there's a nice big gravel parking lot. I'll see it better as I come back up. But then it's just kind of a gravel road that you can drive your truck right down to put your kayak in, and then bring your truck back up to the top. So this is just kind of a ramp. There's no boat slide. It's just not needed here. Alright, so just back your truck up. Just don't back up too far. You'll go in the river. That would be me. I would do something that stupid. There's the sign, really, at the very bottom where you can't see it. There are no signs to any of these access points from the road, so you don't even know where they are if you're driving down the road. But yeah, that's brilliant to put it here. I guess if you've started at another location and you're floating down to here to get out, that's a good place for the sign. But if you're trying to get in, they really need better signage.